Your vision statement. It's now 5 years in the future. What have you accomplished in terms of your internal fire? What amazing transformation occurred in you these last 5 years? You're now flipping through the photo album of your successful life as an accomplished old man or woman. You have nothing left to prove to yourself or to the world. In terms of your health, hobbies, and hopes, describe that one photo that still makes you smile after all these years. Summarize your previous answers into a brief sentence or paragraph in your workbook. Consider how your vision of the future addresses your internal FIRES problem statement. Identify anything that encourages you to leap out of bed each morning. This is your internal FIRES vision statement.